How to do Android split screen. Hi everyone, this is Kate and welcome back to another video. And in this video we will learn how we can do split screen on Android. So without further delay, let's get started. Once you're on your home screen, now you have to open one of the application that you have opened recently. So here I have recently opened WhatsApp. Open it up, or you can simply do this. So once you're here, if you tap on the WhatsApp icon at the top of this page, here you have an option to split top. Tap on it. Now you have to tap on another application to use a different split screen. For example, I have recently opened up calculator. I will tap on calculator and now the screen is splitted, and here you can use both of the application. Here you can also use the WhatsApp in order to take someone, or you can also use the calculator in order to perform the calculation. Here if you tap on this bar at the middle of this application and drag it in order to increase the size for the application. And here in this way you can use split screen. If you want to close one of the application, all you have to do is drag the application to the full, and that's how you can exit from this split screen. And that's how you can use split screen on Android. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for more videos.